All right, friends, for this assignment, your first job is to watch another video. I am going through a slideshow about me. So it's all about Mrs. Morrison. So your first step is to watch that video. Then you are going to write me a letter. There's a link to a blank Google Doc below this video and below the video of my slideshow. So right down here, you should see a link to the All About Me letter. That will open up a blank Google Doc where you can type your letter. Now think back to what you've learned about letters or seen letters written. They always start with some sort of introduction. Or some sort of greeting. So dear, and then in this case you are writing to me, your teacher. So you'll say, Dear Mrs. Morrison. Okay, we have a comma, and then you're going to want to press enter to go to the next line. Now you're going to tell me about yourself. You can make connections to what you read in the slideshow, or you can type whatever you would like. So you could tell me about your summer. You could write about your family or things that you like. Now make sure that you are using your best writing skills. So spell things the best you can, use your best grammar, use full sentences. And I'd like this to be about half a page. Now, I will say you can make it a little bit bigger if you want. So if you want to highlight it, I would say you can go to 14 if you want. And then you can also change the font to make it a little more fun for this assignment. Not every assignment you can, but for this one you can if you want to make it a little more fun. Keep writing. Okay, so that one automatically changed. Sometimes if I spell a word wrong, Google Docs will automatically change it for me. Now, sometimes it won't. Now, maybe so I tried to type the word summer. Okay, it didn't even recognize that it was wrong. Anyway, sometimes you will notice that it'll underline words that are misspelled, and you can go in and fix them. So again, just do your best writing. At the end, make sure you have some sort of closing. So you could say sincerely and then your name. So sincerely Ashlyn or sincerely Joseph. Just tell so that's common to end a letter that way. And then it should automatically be shared with me, but back on Schoology, you're going to want to make sure you submit it. So I can't show you what it looks like, unfortunately, because I'm in my teacher view right now, but you'll open it up and then there'll be an option to press submit and turn in your letter once you are done. Okay, if you're having questions about that, I can absolutely help you. I might not be available immediately depending on what's going on that day, but feel free to reach out if you need help, and I look forward to reading your letters.